Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in full motocross gear. Yes, that's right, I'm going on a ride. It's way past due. I need to get out there. I got rusty joints. My bikes are seizing up. This isn't a good thing, so I got to rectify it. So this is going to be a real quick run. I'm not with anybody. I'm just going to get out and burn some trails. Probably only go for about an hour or so. And yeah, definitely hit some stuff up. So it's not going to be too crazy of a ride, just more of a vlog and pictures. But other than that, yeah guys, thanks for keeping up with me. Sorry it's been very too long. I'm going to be doing a couple changes. Most notably is going to be, which I'll talk about, is going to be single track Sundays. That's my basically idea that I'm going to have. So at least once a week I can get out there and ride. So guys, let's get on the bike. Let's not waste time. Let's get this on the show on the road and we'll give you some action shots. Okay guys, time to put my camera, take a swim as you've seen it. Whew. Can't see dick all with this stuff on now. This is going. So guys, you can go through this because this is one of the ways to the trails. My feet are already wet, so I don't have to worry about which way to go. If I hug this side, a little bit of a bump there. Okay, that's just going over the boots, almost. Right at the lip. Ooh. You know what? Forget it. Stupid me. Just drained my boots out, and I go for water to fill them back in. Just want to see if I have an out. Alrighty. That was another debacle. So recap, got stuck. Should have walked it first, but I didn't. Then I decided to give you guys a good view. And as my bike went forward, I went to move my helmet. The stupid action camera came undone, and it's not in its waterproof housing. But, and I left one of the things off, but let me take a look. All right, she starts. Woo. Okay, guys, now back to the regular scheduled program. But I guess with my channel, and for who I am, that was a regular. Holy smokes, it's wet! Ah, this can't be that deep. Woo-wee. Oh! Another time. Oh, here we go. Back to water. This is deep. Oh shit, it's deep, deep.
And this sort of thing seems to be repeating itself over and over again.
I'm not going this way. Now, I'm surrounded by obstacles. Okay, now I'm stuck. Okay. Look at in water.
All that from water? They got wet?
Yeah, plain water.
In here. Oh, that's oil. Oh my god. Woo. Okay. Now we're trapped. I'm trapped on the abyss. So, there's probably another way out, I just don't know it. So, let's see if I see any... Well guys, if my camera quits, thanks for watching, and we'll continue this on another soggy adventure. The rain really wreaked havoc. Okay. I made it. That was immediately, whew, I did not evaluate that properly.
Really?
Okay. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Which leads me to the question, if Jimmy cracks corn and nobody cares, why is there a song about him? Okay. Hydrolock averted. I'm on mobile power. Two good things. My feet are just soaked. So, well guys, that was an adventure. That made up for all the times I didn't get in the water all year long, plus some.